Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Clint. We'll teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. And for today's video, we're going to be teaching something special. And this is going to be the song In Your Eyes by Snoh Aalegra. It's been pretty popular in social media. Gotta love that Pharrell Williams 4 count in the beginning as well. Very cool. It's been on my rotation in my playlist as well for like months now. And still like it up to this day. It's a pretty catchy song and I'm going to be teaching this to you guys in this video. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And aside from that, I'm going to be teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. And that is going to be the B minor 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. That is going to be 7, dead string, 7, 7, 7, then another dead string in the high E string. Next up is going to be the A minor 7 chord, which is pretty much this chord shape, but we're just going to be moving it on the 5th fret. It's going to be 5, dead string, 5, 5, 5, dead string. That's going to be the C minor 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. Moving this chord shape now from the 5th fret to the 8th fret. That's going to be 8, dead string, 8, 8, 8, dead string. Next up is going to be the D minor 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. That is going to be 10, dead string, 10, 10, 10, dead string. That's going to be the F major chord now this time. A bar chord out of nowhere. It's going to be this one right here. We're going to be using our index finger to bar the 1st fret from the lower E string down to the high E string. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, then 1. Yep. And lastly, it's going to be the G major 7 chord. It's going to be like this one right here. And that is going to be 3, dead string, 4, 4, 3, then dead string. So all in all, that would be the B minor 7 chord, A minor 7, C minor 7, D minor 7, F major chord. That's going to be the G major 7 chord. Okay, so for the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Pretty simple and easy as well. It's going to be like this. So first and foremost, this plucking pattern will be worked for 2 counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. And the counting that you're going to be doing alongside this plucking pattern right here, it's going to be like this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and... So breaking that down for you guys further, when it comes to plucking this plucking pattern, we're going to be plucking the bass string, which is going to be the lower E string in this case, along with the D, G, and the B strings all together. And waiting it out for 1 count, there's going to be the D, G, and the B strings all together using these 3 fingers. And after that, it's going to be slapping our fretboard afterwards. Like so. Bass, D, G, B, waiting it out for 1 count, D, G, B, and slapping the fretboard. And with that said, that entire plucking pattern will be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the intro section for this song, it's going to be this one right here. So first up, we're going to be playing the B minor 7 chord 4 times to keep in line with the signature Pharrell Williams trademark sound in his beats. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be like this. Just plucking the bass, D, G, and the B strings all together for 4 times. Just keep it in line with how Pharrell Williams does his beats. You know what I'm saying? Then after that, it's going to be the A minor 7 chord for 2 counts. Then the B minor 7 chord for 2 counts. And just repeating that part of the chord progression 4 times. It's going to be like this. Yep. There's some kind of groove to it. If you try to make it as accurate as possible to the instrumental of the song. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Pretty much. Okay, and when when it comes to the chord progression for pretty much everything, such as the verse, post-chorus, as well as the pre-chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Pretty much the intro section of the song, but just removing the B minor 7 4 times at the beginning part that Pharrell Williams does for his intros. And that's your chord progression for these sections pretty much. So once again, just A minor 7 for 2 counts, and B minor 7 for 2 counts, 2 more, then last one. Yep, that's pretty much it for those sections. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. There in your eyes, there in your eyes, there in your eyes, there in your eyes. And lastly, for the chorus sections of the song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. So it's going to be the C minor 7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be this one right here. And the D minor 7 chord for 2 counts. One more time. Yep, just like that. There's going to be the C minor 7 chord once more for 2 counts. F major chord for 2 counts as well. And the G major 7 chord for 4 counts. Which means that we're going to be doing our plucking pattern twice. It's going to be like this. Yep. Then after that, we're going to be repeating that entire chord progression one more time. So once again, C minor 7 chord for 2 counts, D minor 7, once more, C minor 7, then F major, then G major 7 for 4 counts. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. If you see, you'll find what was there the whole time. What's love in disguise in your eyes? If you seek, you'll find what was there the whole time. Was love in disguise in your eyes? So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment down below as well. I'll ensure to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. Really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.